Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm walking you through how to connect your Phantom wallet to Axiom Pro, a slick trading platform for Solana, meme coins, and more. It's a fast setup, so let's get straight into it. So first, ensure you've got Phantom wallet set up, download it as a browser extension in the Chrome, Firefox, or wherever you're using. From Phantom app, also grab the mobile app. Create a wallet or log into the existing one and keep your recovery phrase safe. That's for your lifeline. Next, head to Axiom Trade in your browser. You'll need a referral link to sign up. You'll need a referral link to sign up. Check your X or Axiom's official channels for one if you don't have it. Once you're on the site, you'll see a Connect Wallet button, usually top right. Click it. A pop-up will show wallet options. Pick Phantom from the list. Your Phantom wallet will prompt you to approve the connection. Review it, then hit Connect. If it's your first time, Axiom might ask to link your Phantom directly or generate an Axiom specific wallet tied to it. Either way, confirm in Phantom. After that, once connected, you'll see your Phantom wallet address or a new Axiom wallet starting with AX. To trade, deposit Solana. Go to the deposit section, copy the address and send Solana from Phantom. And then in Phantom send by pasting the address, enter the amount and confirm. Funds should hit Axiom in seconds. Check your Axiom dashboard, your Solana balance will top up. If it doesn't, refresh the page or ensure the transaction cleared on Phantom's activity tab. Now you're set to snipe trade or explore Axiom's tools. Easy as that. That's how you connect Phantom Wallet to Axiom Pro, quick and painless. Test it out and let me know how it goes in the comments. Like and subscribe for more crypto how-tos. See you next time.